Hey space explorers, welcome back to Star Trek by Sanu. Let me ask you something. What do you think ancient civilizations saw when they looked up at the stars? Did they just see twinkling lights, or did they uncover hidden patterns and cosmic mysteries long before we had telescopes? Today, we will explore how the ancient Egyptians, Indians, Mayans, and the Greeks studied the night sky and laid the foundations for modern astronomy. And as always, if you are enjoying the journey, don't forget to like, share, follow, and subscribe to Star Trek by Sanu to keep learning with us. Let's start with ancient Egyptians, whose fascination with the heavens was intertwined with their everyday lives. They believed the sky was the realm of gods, and the stars played a vital role in their religion and architecture. One of their most significant achievements was aligning the Great Pyramids of Giza with the stars in the Orion constellation, which they associated with Osiris, the god of the afterlife. This perfect alignment shows just how advanced their knowledge of celestial movements was, and they used it to honor their gods and ensure the immortality of their pharaohs. The Egyptians also developed a highly accurate calendar based on their observations of the stars. They tracked the rising of Sirius, the brightest star in the sky, which coincided with the annual flooding of the Nile River. This was crucial for their agricultural cycles, making astronomy an essential part of their survival. Their calendar was so precise that it became the foundation of the 365-day year we still use today. Now let's travel across the ocean to the ancient Mayan civilization in the Mesoamerica. The Mayans were among the most advanced astronomers of the ancient world, and their knowledge was deeply connected to their beliefs and rituals. They built observatories like famous El Caracol in Chichen Itza, designed specifically to study the stars and planets. The Mayans were obsessed with tracking the movements of the planets, particularly Venus, which they associated with their god Kukulkan. They observed Venus' 584-day cycle with remarkable precision and incorporated it into the complex calendar system. The Mayan long count calendar, which famously predicted the end of an era in 2012, was an incredibly accurate tool for tracking long-term cycles of time tied to both cosmic and earthly events. What's more astonishing is that the Mayans could predict solar and lunar eclipses with accuracy. Their ability to forecast these rare celestial events was a major feat, proving just how advanced their understanding of astronomy was, even without modern tools. Now let's journey to ancient Greece, where astronomy evolved into a science of reason and observation. Unlike the Egyptians and Mayans, the Greeks sought to explain the cosmos through logical thinking and mathematics. Thinkers like Pythagoras, Aristotle, and Ptolemy asked big questions. What is the shape of the earth? How do the stars move? How can we predict their patterns? One of the most influential Greek astronomers was Ptolemy, who developed the geocentric model where the earth was the center of the universe and the sun, moon, and stars revolved around it. Although we now know this model was incorrect, it dominated astronomical thought for over 1,000 years. It was a stepping stone that eventually led to the heliocentric model proposed by later scientists like Copernicus. But the Greeks did not stop there. The mathematician Eratosthenes calculated circumference of the earth with remarkable accuracy over 2000 years ago using just the angles of the sun shadows. And Hipparchus developed the first catalogue of stars, identifying over 850 stars and even calculating their brightness. These achievements laid the foundation for modern astronomy as we know it today. So what can we learn from the Egyptians, Mayans, and Greeks? Each of these ancient civilizations looked up at the same stars we see today, but they did not just admire their beauty. They saw the stars as key to unlocking the mysteries of time, space, and life itself. From the pyramids to the Mayan temples, from Greek mathematical equations to the first star maps, their work paved the way for the scientific revolutions that followed. And today, as we continue to explore the universe with telescopes and space probes, we are standing on the shoulders of these ancient astronomers. Their discoveries continue to inspire us to ask big questions about the cosmos. What's next for our understanding of the universe? Only time and perhaps the stars will tell. Thanks for joining me on this journey through time and space. If you find this exploration of ancient astronomy fascinating, make sure to like, share, follow, and subscribe to Star Trek by Sanu for more incredible cosmic stories. And stay tuned for next phase 11 Advanced Astronomy topics. Until next time, keep looking up and wondering what ancient secrets still lie among the stars.